So, you're using GetResponse and wondering how to add a chat feature? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up live chat inside GetResponse, what limitations you should be aware of, and most importantly, whether it's the best option or if there are better alternatives with a free trial. First, adding live chat in GetResponse is fairly simple. Go to your dashboard, click on Chats, and then Create Chat. You'll get a customizable widget that you can place on your site. From here, you can adjust colors, set availability hours, and add automated welcome messages. But here's where things start to get a little tricky. Next, while GetResponse's chat feature is decent, it's not as powerful as dedicated live chat tools. There's no advanced chatbot automation, integrations are limited, and if you want real-time analytics or a more AI-driven approach, you might hit a wall. Also, while it's free on higher plans, lower-tier users might not even have access. Another thing, compared to tools like Tidio, LiveChat, or even HubSpot's free chat, GetResponse's chat is pretty basic. If your goal is just quick customer responses, it's fine. But if you need sales-driven automation, lead capture features, or deep CRM integration, there are much better options. The final thing to consider is support and user experience. If you're already using GetResponse for email and marketing automation, having an in-house chat option is convenient. But if you're serious about using live chat as a business tool, GetResponse's chat might feel like an afterthought rather than a full solution. Now, if you want a truly effective chat feature that helps with conversions and automation, I've linked an exclusive and AMP extended free trial to a better alternative below. Plus, I've added some other options that might fit your needs even better. Check it out, you won't get these free trial benefits anywhere else.